and organization of data, and we have also learned how to write the given information using the tally marks, and also how to interpretation of pictograph, right? Yes, now we are going to solve the exercise 9.1. So in that, the first question is, in a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. Okay, so here they are given the 40 students test marks. So we have to write these data using the tally marks. Okay, so we have to make the 3 columns. For the first one, marks and tally marks and number of students. Okay, it's right here. First column is marks. Second column, tally marks. In the third column, number of students. Number of students. Okay, yes, you may see the table is how many students got 1 mark. Yes, first write in the marks 1. How many students got 1 marks? In the first row, only the 1 member, right? So keep 1 tally mark. And in the second row, again 1 member, keep again 1 tally mark. And in the third row, there is no one. And in the fourth row also, there is no one got 1 marks. Okay, it's totally how many students got 1 marks? That is 2 students. Okay, then next, the marks 2. How many students got 2 marks? Okay, is check in the first row, is in that only the 1 member got 2 marks. Write the 1 tally mark. And in the second row, there is 1 member got 2 marks. Okay, then next in the third row, is there is a 1 member in the third row, and in the fourth row there is no one got 2 marks. Okay, totally how many members got 2 marks? Count here, 1, 2, 3. Totally 3 members got 2 marks. Okay, then next mark 3. How many students got 3 marks? Okay, observe in the first row. In the first row, only the 1 member got 3 marks. And in the second row, also there is only 1 member got 3 marks. In the third row, only a 1 member got 3 marks. And in the fourth row, no one got 3 marks. Okay, then how many students got 3 marks? That is 3 students got 3 marks. Okay, then the marks 4. Then let's check how many students got 4 marks. Let us check in the first row. Is in the first row is there are 2 students. 2 students means we have to write 2 tally marks. Okay. Then in the second row there is only 1 student got 4 marks. In the third row is only 1 student got 4 marks. Is in the fifth row 1, 2, 3. There are 3 students got 4 marks. So here there is a 4. It's 5, 6, 7. Okay. Is totally how many students got 4 marks? That is 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Then how many students got 5 marks? Okay, let's see here. In the first row there are the 2 members, 1, 2, and in the second row is again a 2 members, 3, 4, and in the third row only a 1 member, it is 5, and in the fourth row there is only a 1 member got 5 marks. Totally how many students got 5 marks? That is 6 students. Okay, then number 6. How many students got 6 marks? You see here in the first row only a 1 student got 6 marks, And in the second row, only a one student got 6 marks. And in the third row, one student, totally 3 members now. Then in the fourth row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 students, right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many students got 6 marks? That is 6 students. Sorry, 7 students. 7 students got 6 marks. Then the number 7. Mark 7. How many students got 7 marks? Is check in the first row. In the first row, only a one student got 7 marks. And in the second row, there are 2 students. Totally 3 students. And in the third row, only a one student, become 4. And in the last row, there is only a one student got 7 marks. That is, 5 students got 7 marks. Then 8. Then let's check how many students got 8 marks. In the first row, one student got 8 marks. In the second row, no one got 8 marks. In the third row, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 members got 8 marks. 1, 2, 3. Totally 4. And in the last row, no one got 8 marks. Totally how many students got 8 marks? 4 students got 8 marks. Okay. Then how many students got 9 marks? Okay. Yes, in the first row, no one got 9 marks. In the second row, there is a one boy. He got 9 marks. And in the third row, again a boy got 9 marks. In the fourth row, is one boy got 9 marks. Totally how many marks? How many members got 9 marks? That is 3 members. Okay. If now you add this number of students, you will get the 40. Okay. So like this, we have to write the given data using the tally mark. Okay. Now we have to answer the given questions. Is the first question is find how many students obtain marks equal to or more than 7. Is here there is a 7 and more than 7 means 9. Is how many students got equal to 7 marks or more. Is how many students, that is 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Totally 12 students got 7 equal to 7 or more marks. Okay. Let's write down here A1 answer. 12 students got equal to 7 or more than 7. 7 marks. Okay. Then the B1, how many students obtain marks below 4? Is here there is a 4, below 4 means 3. Right? How many students obtain below 4 marks? Here 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 students got below 3 marks. Sorry, below 4 marks. Okay? Yes, right here 8 students obtain 8 students obtain marks below 4. Okay. Is it clear? Yes, then let's go to the second question. The second question is the following is the choices of sweets of 30 students of class 6. Here they are given the 4 sweets, that is ladu, burfi, jalebi and rasgulla. Okay. So here the 30 students choices the different sweets out of the 4 sweets. Okay, so what we have to do, we have first one, arrange the names of sweets in a table using tally marks. Okay, and the B question is, which sweet is preferred by most of the students? Okay, so here I have written sweets, tally marks and number of students. Okay, so there are the 4 sweets, laddu, barfi, jalebi and rasgulla, and now we have to write the number of students using the tally marks. Okay, so here the first student prefers laddu. So here there is a laddu, we have to keep one tally mark. Okay, and the second student barfi. Third one again laddu. Fourth one jalebi. Fifth one again a laddu. And rasgulla, jalebi, laddu and barfi, rasgulla, laddu. I have to put 5 like this. And jalebi, rasgulla, then jalebi, laddu, rasgulla, so 5, laddu and again a laddu, and the third row barfi, rasgulla and again rasgulla and jalebi, rasgulla, laddu, rasgulla, jalebi and laddu. Okay, see here, I have written the tally marks of the students prefers the sweets. Okay, so now write here how many students prefer laddu. 5, 10, 11. Then barfi, 3. How many students prefer jalebi? That is 7. Then number of students prefer rasgulla, that is 9. Okay, now you count totally how many students are there here? 20, 30. Yes, now it is correct. Okay, yes, now we have to write down the B1 question. What is that question? How many students prefer, which sweet is preferred by most of the students? So which sweet is preferred most of the students means which sweet likes more number of students. Here more number is here 11. More number of the students likes laddu. Okay, yes, we have to write down B1. It is A1. Okay, most of the students preferred laddu. Okay, is it clear? Yes, and the third question is similar to the first question, so you have to do that in your notes by own. Okay, yes, then I will do the fourth question. Following pictograph shows the number of factories in 5 villages. As you may see here, there is a pictograph. So in that they are given the villages A, B, C, D, E and the number of tractors. Okay, so here one tractor represents, one picture represents one tractor. Okay, yes, you may see here in the village A there are 6 tractors, means 6 pictures, it means 6 tractors. Okay, and in the village B there are 5 pictures, it means 5 tractors. In the village C there are 8 pictures, it means 8 tractors. In the village D there are 3 tractors. And in the village E there are 6 tractors. Okay, now we have to answer the given questions. Okay, in which village has the minimum number of tractors? Yes, you may see here in the which village there are minimum number of tractors. Yes, in which village there are less number of tractors? Yes, that is in the village D. Okay, yes, right. The answer here A1 in the village D. Okay, and the second question, which village has maximum number of tractors? Means in which village there are more tractors? Yes, that is in the village C, right? Yes, in village C. The village C. Okay, and the third question, how many more tractors village C has compared to village B? Yes, now we have to compare village B and C. How many tractors are more? Yes, you may see here in the village B there are 5 tractors and in the village C there are 8 tractors. Right? Yes, how many more tractors are there compared to C village? Yes, there are 3 tractors. Write down. There are 3 more tractors in village B than C. In village C than B. Right? Yes. The fourth question is, what is the total number of tractors in all the 5 villages? In all the 5 villages, there are the 28 tractors. Right? Yes, once you count all the tractors, all the pictures, and you may write here the total number of tractors. There are 28 tractors in all the 5 villages. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then let's go to the fifth question. The number of girl students in each class of a co-educational middle school is depicted by pictograph. Okay, as you may see here the pictograph of the number of girls in a middle. Yes. Here there is a given information in the pictograph. Yes. We have to observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. Okay. The first one is A. Which class has the minimum number of girl students? Okay. So before going to answer these questions, first we have to interpret the pictograph. Okay. Is in the first class. So here they are given. So first read the pictograph, okay, and answer the following questions. Is in the first classes number of girl students, and here they are given one picture represents 4 girls. Okay, one picture represents 4 girls. Is you may see here in the class first how many pictures are there? In the class first there are 6 pictures. 6 pictures means how many girls? Is that is 6 4 ja 24. 6 4 ja 24. In the class first there are the 24 girls. Right? Yes. In the class second there are 4 full pictures and 1 is half picture. Right? So 4 4 ja. So 4 4 ja 16. Right? 4 4 ja 16. There is a half picture plus 2, that is 18. Okay. Then in the third class there are 5 pictures. 5 4 ja 20. How many girl girls are there? In the class 3rd, there are 20 girls. In the class 4th, how many students are there? In the class 4th, there are 3 full pictures and 1 half picture. Means 3 4 jar 12. 3 4 jar 12 plus half means 2. Totally 14 girls. And in the class 5, there are 2 full pictures and 1 is half picture. 4 2 jar 8. 8 plus 2 10. 4 2 jar 8 plus half, that is 10. Okay. Then in the class 6, there are 4 full pictures. Means 4 4 jar 60. 4 4 jar 60. Right. And in the class 7, there are 3 pictures. Means 4 3 jar 12 students. Okay. And in the class 7, there is only 1 full picture and 1 is half picture. It means 4 1 jar 4. 4 plus 2 6. Okay. Yes. Now you answer here. Which class has the minimum number of girls? Yes. Which class has the minimum number of girls? 24, 18, 20, 14, 10, 16, 12 and 6. Yes. In the class 8, there are 6 students. Okay. Yes. Write down here. In the class 8, there are minimum number of in the class 8. Okay. And the question B. B question, is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of class 5? Yes. Now we have to compare here. Is the number of girls in the class 6. Number of girls in the class 6 is 16 less than the number of girls in the class 5. Is it? Yes, sir. Now compare here. The number of in the class 6 there are the 16 girls. In the class 5 there are only the 10 girls. Is it? No. Yes. The third one, how many girls are there in class 7? Yes, in the class 7, how many girls are there? 4 3 12. There are 12 girls. Okay? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Then let's do the 6th problem. Sale of electricity bulbs. So here this is also the very easy problem. You can do it in your notes. And the 7th problem also very easy. So here each fruit box is equals to 100. Okay, so we have to multiply number of pictures into the fruits. You will get the answer. Okay, so I hope you will do it in the notes. Okay, it's up to here we have completed the exercise 9.1. So in the next class we are going to learn about how to draw a pictograph for the given data. Okay, thank you.